Unlocking 13 extra hours, the AI revolution for small businesses. Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Imagine having an extra 13 hours in your work week. What would you do with that time? Grow your business? Spend more time with family? Or maybe just catch up on that ever-growing to-do list? Well, guess what? For many small business owners, this isn't just a daydream. It's becoming a reality, thanks to AI tools. In fact, a recent study showed that 68% of small businesses using AI reported saving at least 10 hours per week. That's huge. Today, we're diving into how these game-changing tools are revolutionizing the way small businesses operate, saving time, reducing stress, and boosting productivity. Ready to unlock your 13 hours? Let's get started. The time crunch: why small businesses need a lifeline. You know the drill. As a small business owner, you're constantly juggling a million tasks. From managing finances to handling customer service, marketing your products, and everything in between. It's overwhelming, right? This constant time crunch isn't just stressful, it's costly. When you're spread thin, things fall through the cracks. Opportunities are missed. Growth stagnates. And let's be honest, your work-life balance? It becomes a distant memory. But here's where AI enters the picture as a true game changer. It's not about replacing you or your team. It's about enhancing what you do. Imagine having a tireless assistant that works 24/7, handling repetitive tasks, analyzing data, and even interacting with customers. That's the 13-hour promise of AI. By automating time-consuming tasks and streamlining operations, AI tools are giving small business owners like you the gift of time. And it's not just about quantity, it's about quality too. With AI handling the grunt work, you're free to focus on what really matters: growing your business, innovating, and connecting with your customers. Unlocking the power of AI for small business success. So, what exactly are these AI tools, and how are they revolutionizing small business operations? Let's break it down. AI tools are software applications that use machine learning and natural language processing to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. For small businesses, they're game changers in areas like customer service. AI chatbots can handle inquiries 24/7, freeing up your time. Marketing, AI can analyze trends, optimize ad spend, and even create content. Scheduling, say goodbye to the back and forth of appointment setting. Data analysis, get actionable insights from your business data without being a stats whiz. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking: AI sounds complicated and expensive. But here's the thing: many of these tools are designed specifically for small businesses. They're user-friendly and often more affordable than hiring additional staff. The key to success? Start small. Choose one area where you're spending too much time and explore AI solutions. You don't need to be a tech genius. If you can use a smartphone, you can use these tools. Let's look at a few hypothetical examples. Imagine Sarah, owner of Sweet Treats Bakery. Before using AI, Sarah spent hours each day managing orders, updating her social media, and responding to customer inquiries. By implementing an AI-powered ordering system and a chatbot for customer service, she freed up 3 hours daily. That's 15 hours a week she now spends developing new recipes and expanding her business. Or picture Mike, a freelance graphic designer. Mike started using AI writing tools to create compelling copy for his website and social media. The result? He cut his marketing time in half and saw a 30% increase in inquiries. Finally, think of Lisa, who runs an online boutique. By adding a chatbot to handle routine customer queries, she saves 10 hours a week and has improved her response time by 80%. These examples above are hypothetical and were used to emphasize how to transform your business with AI. And the best part? You don't have to be a tech genius. Just a smart business owner who recognizes a powerful tool when you see one. Unlocking time and potential, your AI-powered business revolution. Let's recap. AI tools are helping small businesses automate repetitive tasks, provide 24/7 customer service, make data-driven decisions, optimize marketing efforts. All of this adds up to 13+ hours saved every week. Hours you can reinvest in growing your business, improving your products, or simply enjoying more work-life balance. Remember, integrating AI into your business doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, focus on one area at a time, and build from there. The power of AI is not in replacing you but in enhancing what you already do best. Your next step? Take a close look at your business. Where are you losing hours on repetitive tasks? That's your starting point to explore AI solutions. And hey, if you want to learn more about specific AI tools for your industry, head over to our website at AI Powered Content Hub. We've got a treasure trove of resources waiting for you. Your AI-powered business starts now. Every great business transformation begins with a single step. The sooner you start exploring AI, the sooner you'll unlock those extra hours to invest back into your success and happiness. Here's to working smarter, not harder. Until next time, keep innovating and thriving.